mindfulness guided meditation. Gently close your eyes and try to find the most comfortable position, sitting quietly. Relax your shoulders and breathe mindfully once. Observe your breath. Is it long and deep? Is it short? Please do not try to change it. Just observe it and make an internal smile to your breath. Be aware of your in-breath. Be aware of your out-breath. In-breath, out-breath. In-breath, out-breath. Bring your awareness also to your mind. Is it focused? Is it relaxed? Is it worried? Again, do not try to change it. Just breathe in and smile gently to your funny mind. Breathe in. Breathe out. Notice the air filling your lungs and the sensation of release as you exhale. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath, bringing calm and peace with each cycle. Now gently shift your focus to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Acknowledge them without judgment. Simply observe and breathe into those areas. In breath, out breath. In breath, out breath. As you breathe in, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to the tense spots on your body. As you breathe out, feel all this tension melting away. In breath, sending relaxation. Out breath, releasing tension. In breath, sending relaxation. Out breath, releasing tension. Feel your body becoming more and more relaxed with each breath. Feel your mind becoming more and more mindful with each breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's deepen the awareness by bringing attention to the sensations in your body. In breath, deep observation. Out breath, complete acceptation. In breath, deep observation. Out breath, complete acceptation. In breath, out breath. Feel a sense of warmth embracing your body with each in-breath. Bring your awareness to your heart. Try to feel it or imagine it in your chest, gently beating. Feel the warmth and energy emanating from your heart. Imagine this warmth spreading through your entire body, filling you with a sense of peace and well-being. Breathe in. Feel the warmth. Breathe out. Spread the peace. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue to focus on this warm, peaceful feeling. allowing it to deepen with each breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the sensations of your breath and the warmth in your heart. Remember, there's no need to force anything. Just observe and allow things to be. In breath, out breath. In breath, out breath. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into mindfulness, awareness. With each breath, feel yourself being more and more in peace. Breathe in, breathe out. In breath, feeling joy. Out breath, releasing heaviness. As you breathe in, be aware that you're sharing this experience with many people around the world, doing mindfulness meditation right now. As you breathe out, make an internal and beautiful smile. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the presence of your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the presence of your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Smile to your mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Smile to your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay here, mentally, in this place of calm and tranquility and mindfulness. Join your hands together in front of your heart. And try to be thankful to your body and mind. Bow gently towards yourself. Take one last deep breath in and one last long breath out before opening your eyes and smile. Thank you very much for practicing together.